Next up, we'll have a look at the deals section of the EzyCourse platform. Now, this is where you can do all manner of different things to enhance your sales. Let's first of all have a look at upsell. An upsell is where when a customer is going to purchase one product, you can upsell a normally higher value product. So instead of buying the standard version, you can buy for a little bit more money this premium version, or instead of buying one product, you can buy this collection of a number of products, that type of thing. Now, bonus items is where you can give away products with another product. So buy this course and get this course included free, that type of arrangement. And then you've also got coupons as well. And coupons are discount codes that you can issue to people or within periods of time to give discounts on your products. So you might have a weekend special offer and you can set coupons to expire on a particular date. You can also limit the number of coupons you give away as well. So let's say you want to make a discount to the first 10 customers that buy a particular product. You can make that coupon available so that it can only be used 10 times. So lots of different ways that you can enhance your sales using the deals section of the EzyCourse platform.